Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by registering and funding immediately. Do not delay. Verify your account and link a payment method so deposits clear before the lobby opens. Once done, open the tournament tab and enter the exact event. Make sure you select the correct buy-in or apply a ticket. You want confirmed entry at least 10-15 minutes prior. Also prepare a separate practice chart and preset your trade size so you can act instantly when the tournament begins. You now focus on execution. Begin with clearly defined entries and exits based on short timeframes. Use a fixed risk per trade like 1% of your tournament balance and stick to it. Once trades are live, watch volatility and tighten or widen stops to protect capital. Make adjustments quickly without hesitation. Also rotate through reliable assets with clear trends. This boosts win rate. Remember, consistency beats random wins, so maintain the same routine across the opening rounds. You finish by managing endgame risk. Lock profits when your leaderboard rank is safe and avoid reckless escalation. Once a round ends, review performance and tweak entry rules or asset choices before the next game. Scale down risk after consecutive losses. If technical problems occur, switch to a backup device or mobile data to preserve connectivity and contact platform support while documenting timestamps. These final steps secure gains and reduce tournament regret. Stay calm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.